Hey there, pan fans. So today I thought I'd teach you how to make a classic dessert, crème brûlée. Now, crème brûlée seems untouchable, impossible, only for high-end restaurants, but I'm here to tell you it's actually very easy, and you get to play with fire. Don't play with fire. Be safe. To help us make crème brûlée today, we have our Rachael Ray oval dippers that we're gonna put our custard in. We have a Bonjour professional grade blowtorch. We're not gonna play with, we're just gonna use it for making crème brûlée. And since we're doing a classic dessert, I thought we'd use a classic saucepan to scald our milk. So we have the Farberware 120 limited edition in aqua saucepan. You're gonna score some real points with this one. Crème brûlée, let me show you how to do it. To start, we're going to need some egg yolks, and your initial instinct is to crack an egg like normal and do that passing it between the eggshell things you've seen, but this has dubious results. To begin, don't crack your egg on the side of a bowl. You want to use a flat surface. Doing it this way, you're less likely to get tiny bits of eggshell. Now, with egg in your hand, leave it there. Your fingertips are the best tool for separating yolks from the whites. Now to the bowl of egg yolks, you're going to want to add some vanilla extract and sugar. Whisk everything together until fully combined. Take your saucepan and put it over very low heat. Pour in heavy cream. The thick aluminum base of the Farberware is going to heat fast and evenly, so no worries there. You just got to keep an eye on it and keep stirring it. We're going to want to bring this to about a simmer. Pour your scalded cream into your egg yolk mixture. You want to do this very slowly, whisking the entire time. Pour your mixture into your Rachael Ray ceramic dippers. These dippers are so cool looking, dishwasher safe, and they do happen to come in a variety of colors. Now, the Bon Marie method would have you reaching for some specialty bake sheet, but I say why when I have a perfectly good, high-walled, oven-safe Circulon fry pan that will be easier to handle and far easier to clean. Fill up your pan with water to about halfway up on the dippers. Now you've got quite the balancing act to walk this over to your oven. You don't want to get any water in the custard, and you don't want to get any custard in the water. But this is where having a pan is great. Because of that handle, it's going to make walking it over to the oven very stable. Bake at 325 until firm. If you're not sure, you can always give your pan a little jiggle and see how much the custard moves. Again, this is why having a pan with a handle makes this very easy. Once you've noticed the custard is firm, you're going to want to take it out of the hot pan. Please do this with care because everything is very hot and you can easily burn yourself. I'm speaking from experience. It's very hot. Ah! Give your custards some time to chill out until they're cool enough to handle with your bare hands, at which time you're going to want to take them and put them in a fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes. Now that your custard is chilled, it's time to top with sugar. And you may find you need to give it a little shake just to evenly distribute the sugar all across the top. Now it's time for the fireworks. Grab your Bonjour culinary torch and slowly, in circles, move it around the top of the sugar. You don't want to spend too much time in any one spot or you will see it start to burn. Also, here's where personal preference comes into play. I happen to like a thick, crunchy, caramelized sugar top, but if this looks a little too well done for your taste, a little less sugar, a little less time with the flame, it's all up to you. And there you have it, pan fans, homemade crème brûlée. Here, I really want you to hear this. That is so much more than just pudding. Best part is the ceramic bakeware, the Circulon pan, and the Farberware saucepan are all dishwasher safe. So not only is cooking easy, cleanup's easy too. I hope I've inspired you to try cooking at home. I'm telling you, when you have the right tools, cooking is gonna be that much easier. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. And I'll see you next time, pan fans. Don't play with fire.